Welcome back to my channel. I will leave the materials info in the description below. Let's make an L today and start with 17 chains. And so first of all, a slip knot. And then 17 chains, so 1, 2, 3, just like that, total 17. And then starting from the second chain, we're gonna do single crochet, but into the third back loop. So front side, and then this is the back side. So this is the third loop. To make a single crochet. So it will be total of 16 single crochets. So pull up and pull through both together, through the third back loop. Pull the yarn, 2 loops and pull through both together, and make 16 single crochets for the complete row. I'll see you back here. Alright, so I've done 16 single crochets. And then make 1 chain to complete the row. 1 chain and then turn around. And we're gonna use the same pattern we used for K. So this one is going to be the same. And then this one is gonna be a little bit different. So it's gonna be very easy. So we have to single crochets on this side. And then to single crochets on this side. And we can do the same thing on. And to single crochets, and then we are going to do the L. So this line is gonna be completely formed with the other color. So that means this is going to be only chains. So we're gonna leave 2 single crochets on both sides. So 12 SC space in between. It will be 12 chains, but we will make 15 chains instead. We are doing some extra chains so that it doesn't contract. So I've done 15 chains, and then we will do 2 single crochets. So go to the second last and make a single crochet. This is how it's gonna look, and then do 1 more. Single crochet on this side here. And 1 chain at the end, then turn around again. For row 3, make 2 single crochets. Single crochets. Alright, so let's take our second color yarn. Pull the second single crochet loop high and then go through the same loop again. Then grab the second color neon, make a kind of loop here. And then go through this one here. So now we are going to do half double crochets. So it will be total of 12 half double crochets onto the top of row 1 loops. So yarn over. So after 2 single crochets. Into the third loop here of row 1, the top loops only. And then grab the yarn again. Pull it high and then pull through all 3 loops together. And now pull the white yarn as well. So this will give us a clean edge on the side here. So we will weave the white yarn along as well, as we will be using it later here. And then weave this end too. So again, yarn over, then through the next loop. And weaving in the other yarns as well. Then pull it high. And pull through all 3 together. So this is the second half double crochet. So we will repeat this for the whole chain space, through the top loops of row 1. So this is the very last one here. So go through the top loop here and make a half double crochet, because this is the last one. So make this loop bigger or pull it high. Then through these 3 loops again. Then keep this one on the back, grab the white yarn and pull through these loops. And then make the single crochet onto the next one. And then we can pull our mustard colored yarn. Then again make 1 morse and 1 chain to complete the row. So this is the starting for our L. And then turn around. So this one is going to be shaped this way. So bottom of letter is done. And then the top part is going to be the same up to here. So to single crochets. And when we're gonna make the second SC, we will grab this second colored yarn and weave it in as well. Then make 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th one. Make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Into the 4th one. Make a single crochet. Then just keep making single crochets up to here. After the single crochets, end the row with 1 chain. Always end the row with 1 chain at the end. So turn around. Now we will make the single crochets up to here, just like before. And then this one is last one before the chain starts. So make a bigger loop and go through these 2 loops again. Then grab the other colored yarn. Pull through these loops here. And then keep it a little bit loose just in case. Then make a half double crochet on top of these 3 loops here. So 1, 2, and 3. So yarn over through the top loops. Grab the yarn to make 3 loops on the hook. Pull it higher and then pull through all 3 loops together. And then pull the white yarn again. Yarn over through the 2nd loop. And grab the yarn, pull through all 3 together. Then again the 3rd half double crochet. Then pull this yarn high to change the colors. Put the hook through these 3 loops and take the white yarn. Pull the mustard yarn and then make a single crochet. And then do 1 more single crochet. 1 chain at the end to complete the row. So this is the story. Now we're gonna repeat this and make 10 more rows. Total 7 rows for the 2nd colored yarn. Repeat row 4 and 5 until the row 15. Alright, so we have finished our letter, and then the very last thing we are going to do. We have 1 row at the bottom, only of single crochets. So we're gonna finish this up with just the single crochets at the top as well. Cut the mustard yarn, and we will weave this end at the same time too. So it will be total of 16 single crochets. And I'll see you at the back here after the finished book. So this is the very last single crochet. Make 1 chain at the end to finish it up. Then cut the yarn to even and pull the tail through. That's it. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below.